welcome to the Paranoid tutorial. We're going to start with 3 counts of our E minor. So it's going to go like that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, 2, 3, 4. And after that, we're going to move on to a little riff. So 7 on the D, 9 on the D, 7 on the G, 9 on the G, then do it again. But then it's going to be 7 on the G and then 9 on the D. So in total, it should sound like this. So if you're struggling doing the E minor chord and then going all the way up to your 7th fret, you could do an E minor chord up here, but it's more of a power shape. So you're going to have your first finger on the 7th fret of your A string and your ring finger on the 9th fret of your D string. And if you strum all your strings like this, it should sound quite E minor-y. So moving on to the verse, we're going to do something called chugging. Now you're going to take your muscle of your hand here and rest it just below the bridge. So you're going to karate chop down and have your hand resting just like this. It's not going to be like that, just like this. And then you hold your pick, so it should look like that. And you can see, if I stroke the strings, I'm not even using my hand here, it's muted. So you can also call it palm muting because you're using this part of your palm. So if we do this with our E minor chord and we strum down 16 times, so that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we move to our D chord. So we'll do that 8 times in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So together it sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And after that you'll do 2 Ds and back to your E minor. Moving on to these chords. So this is going to be your E minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ozzy Osbourne will sing, "Can you help me occupy my brain?" Oh yeah. So we're going to go E minor, "Can you help me?" Then D, "Occupy my brain." So when he sings brain, you go back to your E minor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3.